Welcome to a new video on channel. In this video I will show you how to stream to Facebook Messenger, using OBS Studio. Open OBS Studio. If you don't have the last version, please upgrade your software or install the last version, 2.6.0.2, this version's built-in virtual camera. The link of the video in the description box below, and it is on the screen now, suggested video. Let's continue and start the virtual camera. Now open your Facebook Messenger. Go and click Create New Room. Now your video call ready. Click Device Settings. Select OBS Virtual Camera. Then click Save. Congratulations, now you are streaming through OBS to Facebook Messenger. Next videos I will show you how to use it as professional streamer. Don't forget to like the video, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to be notified with the new videos. Thanks for watching.